In my last video I forgot to show another cool technique that you can utilize for your modeling process. Have a look at once we have create these polygroup with the slice curve tool, you can modify them individually. Let's see, if I want to smooth these polygroup now, if I try to hold down the shift key, it will affect to both sides. Even if I want to sculpt them individually, it will see, it will happen something like this. If you want to avoid this one, what you could do, uh, go to the brushes and make sure you open the auto masking, then drag this slider up to the 100% mask by polygroup. Then what would happen, it is masked by polygroup. Whatever you do, it only affect to the poly the particular polygroup that you are sculpting on. See, it does not affect to the other one. It will affect if you start modifying. That's really cool one. With that technique, I'm going to smooth this one, smooth this polygroup, then this shape will be more prominent. It's a really cool tool to utilize in your modeling process. Here we go. Then I'll show you how to create the hair and any other accessories. It's really cool one. What you got to do, you got to mask the existing geometry, then you can create the new geometry out of that mask. Let me to show that one. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the let me turn off here his hair, this one and this one, and I'll click here. Okay, what you got to do, hold down the control and create a mask like this. I'm doing a really quick one. If you want to eliminate any of the mask area, just hold down the Alt key while you pressing the control. Go and do mask in this area. Then once you create the mask, what you could do, you can sharpen this mask. If you go to the mask tab, see, which is this one, sharpen mask. See, it will start sharpening the mask. Then you can create the new geometry out of this mask. What you could do, okay, open up the open up the extract, which is this one. Simply click the extract button to create the new geometry. If you move it, it will be disappeared. Once you extract, you have to accept it. And also this the thickness of the new geometry determined by this slider. You can move it up to get the much thicker geometry, move it down for the small one. Okay, I'm going to accept this one. Once you've done it, you have to hold down the control key and drag a box to get rid of the mask which was underneath. Okay, I'll show you clearly. See, like that. Also, if I click the hair, it's already been masked. What you got to do the same thing, hold down the control key and the drag a box. That's really cool one to create the new geometry. Let me to create another geometry. This is commonly used for creating the cloth and stuff out of the base mesh. create another geometry while switch convenes much more. I'm going to hold down the Alt key to get rid of the unwanted bit and pieces. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to create the extract. I think it's too thick. I'm going to reduce down extract. Here we go. Okay, I just accept it. Once you create the new geometry, what you go to do, hold down the control and drag a box to get rid of the mask, and it's already in the new geometry that you create. See, that's really nice tool to utilize for your modeling process. That's all about this video, guys. Hope you guys will utilize this new tool for your modeling process.